Meaning of folk tale.
Folk tale.
Folk tale.
Folk tale.
Folk tale. A folk tale is a traditional story that has been passed down orally from generation to generation within a particular culture. These stories often involve mythical creatures, magical events, and lessons about morality or values. Folk tales are unique to each culture and reflect their customs, beliefs, and practices. They can be entertaining, informative, and provide insights into the worldview of the people who tell them. Overall, a folk tale is a significant part of a culture's heritage and serves as a way to preserve and pass on its traditions and values.